Osmo 360. Battery extension rod. Charging the camera. Mount the camera and press down. Make sure the buckles are securely locked. Press and hold the power button to power on the handle. The handle will automatically charge the camera. Button features. Once connected, the buttons on the handle have the same functions as those on the camera. Additionally, you can press the power button and the shutter or record button together to power off the handle only. Press and hold the button on the back of the adapter mount, rotate to the end position, and then release the button. The selfie image is captured at the optimal angle and in sharp focus. Charging the handle. Open the USB-C port cover. Connect a USB-C charger to the USB-C port using the provided cable. The status LEDs will flash and display the battery level during the charging process. Once the battery is fully charged, all the status LEDs will turn on. Maintenance. Firmware update.